Do you ever asked how God balances good and evil between mankind? I actually wonder. So if you're a bad person, you can balance it by saying to God, acknowledging to God that you're a bad person. If you're a good person, you shall acknowledge that goodness doesn't come from your own goodness, but rather it's the God who created you, who give you the desire to do good. So by balancing, you will avoid the destruction brought about by pride. So balance. If you're good, you ask God to keep you good. If you are bad, you ask God to give you mercy.